Hey guys, this is Prithvi here from FPC, and today I'm going to show you how new students can enroll to a new program in IDI. So let's get started. So first off, you will see this page where you will need to choose the course of your choice. In my case, it is security programs. Click on the course name and you will be going to this page where you will see an enroll button for each course of that program. Now choose the course of your choice, and then you will be directed to this page where you will find another enroll button down here. When you click on it, it will open up the sign up form where you will need to sign up. Enter your name, your email ID, your password, and you will receive a token in your registered email ID. When you put the token down here and click on the submit token button, your sign up will be successful and you will be redirected to the first step of the enrollment process. Now fill up all the forms with your information, your name, your birth date, your background, your bio data, everything until you are on the upload page. Now when you are on the upload page, you must know that only these file types are acceptable and all of those uploads must be less than 2 MB. Now here comes the most important part where you make the payment. Here when you click on this add your first payment button, you will see this pop up where you will be able to select your payment method. Select your desired payment method. In my case, it is student loan. My first payment method is a student loan. You can add your second payment method. In my case, it is voucher. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the balance amount must be zero after you have entered all your payment information, meaning you must make the payment in full while doing the enrollment. Now, after all your payment information has been entered, click on the submit payment button and you will have a successful enrollment. If you want to make the payment through credit card, you can choose the payment method of credit card and you will be directed to the PayPal page where you will be able to make the payment via your credit card. So this was a video explaining the enrollment process for new students. Thanks for watching.